Hey there, thank you for checking out Affiliate Secrets. My name is Tim Verdouw and I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get the results that I'm having right now. First, let me explain what Affiliate Secrets is all about. I know how it is to struggle online. I started doing internet marketing in 2010 with results. I made thousands of dollars back then, but Google came, wiped out all my search results, and I went to zero again. And from that day on, I struggled and didn't know how to make money online. I tried so many things. I tried this, I tried that. I implemented a new thing and I thought that I had the answer again. Every time I thought I had the answer, I told my wife, I got the answer right now. Now I know how to make money online. I'm almost there, but still struggling for many years. Until this year, where I made over $34,000 over the last 5-6 months. So I went from last year $341.50 to this year over $34,000 in affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did so you can get the same results. If you're still struggling after you've implemented this training, you know how to make sales online. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. I'm going to show you how you can build your list very easily with free traffic, because it's not that hard to build your list. I'm going to show you how you can make affiliate sales online. I'm going to show you how to present your affiliate offers. I'm going to show you everything I've learned over this last year so you can implement that in your business so you can have the same results as I have. Now imagine yourself how it is to get finally results. Imagine how it is to get your first sales online. Imagine how it is when you get to your PayPal account and you get those PayPal notifications on your phone. And actually I want to show you my PayPal account. This is my PayPal account, and as you can see, it has over $10,000 right now. And this is not just an image, these are real results. You see, I'm scrolling through the phone. These are all payments that I got from affiliate marketing, and you can get these payments also when you pick up a copy of Affiliate Secrets, because I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get these results. So what I'm also going to do when you pick up Affiliate Secrets, I'm also going to give you 21 bonuses that you can give away as a free gift when you promote affiliate offers. A lot of newbies have problems with finding the right bonuses to give away. They don't know what to give away, so it's hard for them to make sales. So I'm going to give 21 bonuses that you can use as a free giveaway when you promote affiliate offers. So that's an extra on top of this training. You get 21 bonuses that you can use as a giveaway. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know. I'm going to show you how to build your list from free traffic. I'm going to show you how to present your affiliate offers, and I'm going to show you how to find your right targeted audience. Everything I know, I'm going to show you in Affiliate Secrets. So if you want to get started, if you want to get results in your business, then just pick up your copy, click the link below, pick up your copy, and then go to the members area, start your training, and start seeing results in the coming days. Alright guys, have an awesome day, and see you in the members area. Bye bye.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers.